Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do an unboxing of a Viewee laptop study table. It's 39 inches. It's a computer, a writing, and a home office desk. So I'm about to do a review on it. I'm about to do an unboxing of it actually. And then I'm gonna put it together. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like put together. I normally know how to put stuff together easily, but I'm gonna see how it is. Here with me. So it says 39 inches. Wait. It's pretty. It's a long box. Okay, here go the instructions. What's in there first? This looks like the legs to it. So this is the leg, or one of the legs. It looks real simple. It don't look like it's hard to put together. This is the other leg. This is the two bars. Two bars. This is looking like a bag of nails. It's a bag of nails. Here goes a piece of wood. This long, skinny piece of wood. And then here goes the table portion. This is like a writing desk. I need it for like my laptop and stuff like that. But I'm gonna put the description below as to what it I'm gonna put the description below because I got it off of Amazon. So I'm gonna put the description below. So if you guys aren't interested in getting this table, it was really cheap. It wasn't that much either. So yeah, we're gonna put this table together. We're gonna put it together. Y'all gonna stay here with me. I got me like a screwdriver and these are the tools I got. So that's just in case I gotta put it together. Once you got one of these, once you using one of these, it's kind of simple how to put it together. I don't even need these tools. I don't need these. Thought I did, but I guess not. So we gonna see. I'm gonna see what it's doing. Take me long. A, B. I got A on it. So A, then B, and C, and then the spare part. So next, we're going to put Let me show you what we're doing next. Next is the table. Oh no, it's the back piece. So it's gonna be this. Is next. This wooden part. And then this back side of it. Got little holes on each side. Now we're about to do the top portion. We're about to put the top portion on. But I will have to go under and put the screws from underneath. If you like the little video of the table, the assembly of the table, assembling the table and unpackaging, unboxing it, you know, let me know. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna bring more content, I'm gonna bring more stuff. But y'all gotta let me know what y'all like, you know what I'm saying? Comment on there, subscribe, share, all that. You know, all them things that YouTubers be saying. So anyway, let me know. And I'll talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for tuning in. And yeah, we'll get back. I'll get back with y'all with another vid in a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm gonna be right back. Okay? All right.